Children, I hope you are practicing maths seriously, properly, neatly, completing. Okay, now going to start 21 chapter, that is surface area and volume and capacity. Volume and capacity. So first of all, understand surface area. Surface area means total surface area. So formula, first see this picture. You have to find volume of a cuboid. The space occupied by any object, that is volume. So volume of a cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. This is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Okay. Now what is the total surface area of cuboid? Total surface area means, children, upper part, top part, bottom part, and all the part. Total surface area. Total surface area, in short, written sometimes surface area, means same. Surface area and total surface area is the same thing. So don't confuse in this. Okay. So what is total surface area? Total surface area, top part you take, area of bottom part or top part, any part first you can take, area, top and bottom, length into breadth, length into breadth. So top part, area A, B, C, D, the bottom part, and top part is area of E, F, G, H. Okay, equal to length into breadth plus length into breadth. The 2L plus 2B means twice of L plus B, twice of L into B, twice of L into B. Like that, this side also, all part you will add. Total 2 length breadth, 2 breadth height, 2 length and height you will get. So 2 will be common. We can take out 2 common. Then we can write total surface area of cuboid equal to twice of L into B plus breadth into height plus length into height. Okay. So like that, in cube also, we all know cube based on square and all sides are equal. If it is A, then A, all, length also A, breadth also A, and height also A. Okay. So volume of cube is A into A into A, that is A cube. Clear? What is the volume of total surface area of cuboid and volume of cuboid taught? Now total surface area of cube 6A square. Why 6A square? Because side is length also A, breadth also A, and height also A. Okay. So A into A plus A into A plus A into A. 3 times you will do. So 2 3 ja 6. You can write like this: A into A plus A into A plus A into A. So twice. So 2 into 3 A's. Okay. 2 3 ja 6A square. So like this. That is why total surface area of cube equal to 6A square. Okay, children. Just this for you to make you understand. Okay. Now total surface area of cube understood. Volume of cube is volume of cube A into A into A. Why A? Because all sides are equal. Length also A, breadth also A, and height also A. So A to the power, volume of cube is A to the power cube, means A cube. Okay. Now next thing you need to understand, what is lateral surface area of a cuboid or curved surface area or area of 4 walls of a cuboid. That is all same. Lateral surface area means, children, you can take example of your geometry box, or the best example you just see you are sitting in a room, right? Just see in your room. Okay. Lateral surface area means bottom and floor. Bottom and floor part remove. Okay. Upper and lower part remove. That is that is lateral surface area. Means bottom part and top part, just remove this all part. Like area of 4 wall, you can count. If you don't know, Just see, to look around your room and just see 4 walls, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so when you have to find out area of 4 walls, that is same lateral surface area you have to find. Lateral surface area of cuboid, children, what is? Just see here, length into breadth is your, it is in rectangular shape, so twice of length into breadth and one height is there. Height is also counted. So lateral surface area of cuboid is twice of length plus breadth into height. Okay, because twice of length, twice of breadth, 4 wall now. So you can do like this, you can calculate. So formula would be twice of length plus breadth into height. Okay, now let lateral surface area of cube, same way upper and lower part remove. So here is total surface area is 6a square. So 6a square, how it comes, you know, 2 3 is 6, but twice of length and breadth, upper and lower, when you will remove, how many parts it will left? 2a into a plus a into a. So 2a square, here I will write a into a plus a into a, because upper and lower part remove, only lateral surface area, this middle part will be left. So 2a square and into twice 2 2 ja 4a square. Okay, so this is lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square. Okay, children, this is the formula. You can understand, revise, solve some questions. Any doubt you can ask. One important question, just see here, this type of question may be asked in exam. Question is, 3 cubes each of age 8 centimeter are joined as shown alongside. Find the total surface area and the volume of the cuboid. But you can see, children, this is a cube. 3 cubes are there, okay? And each cube 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. But you have to find out total surface area of cuboid and volume also you have to find, okay? So you can see here, in cube, length also 8, breadth also 8, okay? All sides are equal in cube because it is based in square. So in total surface area cuboid, for what is the formula? Twice of LB plus BH plus LH, right? So we need to find out length, breadth and height. So 8 centimeter is 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. 8 plus 8 16, and 16 plus 8 is equal to how much? 24. So 24 centimeter is your length, and what is your breadth? Breadth is 8 centimeter and height is also 8 centimeter, children. Okay, so in this manner you can find out total surface area and volume also. Can you find out? Definitely you can find out. This chapter is easy, children, all based on formula. First you try yourself, find, solve. If not able to solve, must ask. Okay.